The next big investment wave is already forming, but most investors will miss it. If you don't understand how thematic investing works, you might be left behind while others ride the wave to wealth. Welcome to Money Talks, making smart investing simple. Today we're diving into thematic investing in 2025, what it is, why it matters, and how you can position yourself now. Thematic investing means focusing on a mega trend, like AI, clean energy, longevity, or deglobalization, and investing in companies poised to benefit. It differs from traditional index investing because we're hunting big structural shifts, not just market-wide returns. Why 2025 is a pivotal moment for thematic investors. Beat. First, the AI build-out is shifting from demos to infrastructure, chips, data centers, and massive power upgrades. Corporate CapEx is accelerating into AI enablement across industries, from finance to manufacturing. Second, the energy transition is scaling. Grid modernization, storage, and cleaner baseload, with nuclear back in the conversation. Third, reindustrialization and supply chain resilience. Onshoring, nearshoring, and friendly shoring are creating multi-year investment pipelines. Fourth, productivity is turning up. Automation and software leverage are improving margins as rates stabilize off their peaks. Fifth, access is easier. More thematic ETFs with deeper liquidity and clearer methodologies. Many missed the last decade's themes. 2025 is a chance to position early, before the crowd. Here are 4 actionable steps. 1. Define your theme. Pick one big trend you believe in, e.g., AI, longevity, green energy. 2. Choose the right vehicle, thematic ETFs, or diversified baskets of companies in that trend. 3. Manage risk. Limit this to 5 to 20% of your portfolio, not all in one basket. 4. Stay long-term. Themes evolve slowly. The value comes from time and compound growth, not quick trades. If you're ready to invest ahead of the trend instead of chasing the hype, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone serious about money. Thematic investing isn't a guaranteed win, but ignoring it may mean missing a decades-long wave. Start smart, stay consistent, and ride the next big wave. Subscribe to Money Talks for future videos that keep you ahead, not behind. Thanks for watching.